This could be the new best cordless vacuum on the market in this budget range. It literally weighs under 7 pounds. It's so easy to maneuver. It's got a docking station for fantastic charging ability, 65-minute runtime with it. Folds in half so you can get under your couch or other surfaces, different speeds. But besides all that, I've been making notes on it for the last couple weeks while using it. The good and the bad. I want to let you know about everything, starting with the unboxing. I've been taking video clips. Just check it out. Check this out. All right, so how easy is it to get started with this? And this is one thing I really appreciated about this vacuum. Quick start guide on the box. This and a couple other features really added to the experience for me. Comes with a generous 2-year warranty. That's great for vacuums. And the full instruction manual is really, really well done. It's not overwhelming. It's not asking me to read a book. Just simple, easy to understand diagrams. This is exactly what I want to see when I open up a product. Comes with quite a few pieces, some extra attachments, and again, with the help of that quick start guide, you can get started with this right away. We'll look at those attachments in just a sec, but look at that. Crumbs everywhere. Hate to see this vacuum coming. Okay, 2 ways to charge the battery. Directly into the charging cable, or there's a charging docking station. It's got an audible click so you know that it's charging, along with this graphic so you know exactly how it's charging, how much battery. Love it. Docking station is going to house your attachments. You've got 2 different attachments here, but essentially 10 different combinations of everything. If I take off my roller brush, I can hook up either of these right here. Variable position with the brush, or I can take this one off entirely to get into tight spaces. Or we have the flexible hose attachment, even more reach out of it, and actually, you got more than 10 combinations. Run this with the extension piece, or remove it, hook it directly up into the vacuum cup itself, use it as a car vacuum. There's a ton of ways to use this. But obviously, the star of the show with this vacuum is gonna be the elbow piece. Now let's actually put it to use. This has 3 main modes. So when you run this with a brush roller, you're gonna get a really bright green LED. I mean, I have full lighting in this loft and you can see it reflecting on all the walls. The LEDs are way brighter than any of the vacuums I've tried. Doesn't necessarily help so much on carpet, but on tile and other smooth surfaces, you're gonna see that reflection of the green light. And it truly helps to be able to see every single last crumb. Now let's take a look at my favorite features that really make this stand out as a vacuum. First of all, I have dogs, so we will take a look at the roller brush and its anti-tangle design. But the main thing everyone wants to know about is this elbow. How useful is the elbow? For one, it definitely works. Very easy to use. You can get some pretty long reach, and it is definitely practical. When you're done with it, it snaps back into place, so it's a smooth transition. Essentially functions the same as the premium brand. Now, I've pretty much determined that 3 inches is the clearance you need to get this under your bed, couch, whatever. So for me, that means it doesn't quite fit under my bed or my couch, but I do like that the side profiles are pretty low, so I can still squeeze about 4 inches of this underneath some of those objects. And in any case, it still helps because there are quite a few hard to reach places in my house having kids. So there's a lot of furniture I don't have to rearrange just by having that folding tube feature. Front of it sticks out at about 30 inches, so it's quite the reach. And that combined with the lightweight aspect, 120-degree turn radius, just makes this a very high mobility vacuum, if you will. It also makes it just really easy to use with one hand. Now, only one other thing to show off before I show off the maintenance, and that is how well the self-standing feature works on tile. But on carpet, it doesn't quite work. I've tried it in various places, unless you take the battery out. Not a deal breaker for me, but if my whole house was carpet, I'd want to know. Now, when you're all done with this, emptying the tank, so easy. Just a small red lever, easy to find, and with very minimal effort, empties every time. Completely. And like I said, I've had this for 2 weeks now, using it every single day, and there's no hair, no human hair, no pet hair on the roller brush. I'm sure over time it will accumulate, but I don't know. They say anti-tangle design. I kind of believe it. The inside of the housing seems to have these plastic teeth on it, which I assume scrapes off the hair. Why more vacuums don't do this, I don't know, but it's pretty cool. After all, it's the little features that really add to the experience. And for a budget vacuum, I mean, this is a budget vacuum. There truly are a lot of features to like about it. Love the power, love the lightweightness, the mobility, the docking station. I think overall, Eleckeys has something great on their hands with this cordless stick vacuum.